Hello, it's Ryan Tierney from Lean Made Simple, and today is a momentous day for Sperrin Metal because we're waiting on delivery of our brand new machine. So the goal is to reduce 9 old machines down to 1 brand new machine, and the new one's coming in just a few minutes. I've actually ordered a brand new machine this week that will replace 9 old machines. So this is the first machine to go, this is the second machine to go, third machine to go, this is the fourth one, and this one as well. And this, and also this one. So this is actually the 8th press brake that's going to get out of here. And this is the 9th machine that's going. So just think about this for a minute. We're eliminating 9 machines and replacing it with 1 machine and getting the same productivity. Got the machine off the lorry now, and we're going to get it inside the factory on these metal skids. There's real buzz around the factory and around the office today because this is the first new machine that's arrived here in years. This is going to maximise efficiency, productivity. It's going to reduce the changeovers and allow us to get the product to the customer much quicker. So we've got it in the place now, and it's absolutely essential that we get it in the exact spot. The culture that we're trying to instill here of precision, that everything matters. So we're going to get that exactly right here in a minute. Perfect, yeah. No, nothing. That's it. Yeah. Just take a walk. I'll take a walk around it here. I think we're going to gather everybody up again and move it because it's just kind of annoying me that it's not in the middle of the 2 posts. So I think that's better already. Yeah, that's good. Better looking when you come in, isn't it? This is saying it has to go back like 20 millimeters. Yeah, that's good there.
For a minute, make sure.
No, that's good, thank you.
I'll put it down.
So we're just going to put the finishing touch on the machine. We're going to put these nice stickers on with our new brand and really make the machine feel like our own. So it's going to be a nice touch. Zach, what do you think of the new machine?
It's just going to be nice to have one machine that's standardised to do everything.
Yeah.
Because every machine in here is always a bit different.
Yeah.
And different set of skills to use it, different setups.
Have you ever operated anything like this before?
No, never.
No.
Closest thing was our other Armada, but this here, it's a lot better, I think.
I've worked here 31 years. My father actually worked on here from the very beginning. Well, some of the machines would have been in here whenever my father would have been here, so some of the machines struggled with the heavier gauge and material, and I think this machine's got that much power now, we won't have an issue with anything we have to fold. I think it's going to make life a lot easier for the men folding the products here. The setup times and even the power of the machine, I think it's going to make a massive difference to the quality of the stuff and the speed of the stuff that we can get it out.
The new machine is very exciting for us and for our customers especially, because obviously it is going to help reduce the lead times, which will ensure that we get our quality product to them much quicker.
So just thought it'd be really nice to have my son James and my daughter Maria here today to see the new machine being installed, because it's one thing me going home and telling them about it, but I just wanted them to be here to experience it for themselves, because I really want them to get interested in what we're doing at Sperrin Metal. So James, what do you think of the new machine?
Class?
Some job, isn't it?
Yeah.
You want to go and see it? Come on, see it,
Yeah.
Maria.
So the functionality of this machine will obviously give us much more options. Whenever we're putting any products through, we don't have to change machines during the process. A job that would be 4 or 5 processes will be down to 1 or 2 processes.
This new press brake machine is going to replace 9 machines that we have here now. The one just beside us here is 45 years old. We wanted Japanese, we wanted the best. And what this machine will allow us to do now, it'll improve efficiency, it'll improve quality, it'll improve the ease of cross-training our people. So it ticks all boxes in terms of improvements right across the factory.
Okay, so we're 2 weeks into using the new machine, and honestly it's been the best decision we've made in a long time, because it's forcing us to put all the work through this one machine. All the other 9 machines are no longer being used. So the really good thing about every single part having a drawing and a program in the machine means if we want to improve that part, we go and we improve the drawing, so it's always getting better. Whereas before with the older 9 machines, we were never really improving the process or improving that particular part. So getting this new press brake was part of a bigger project, and it's this thing that I'm going to call the river of metal. So we're actually going to have a physical river of metal flowing through the factory. So it's going to start with this punching machine, then through another punch, then press brake, then welding, then painting. So we're actually going to visually see the orders moving through the factory. At the minute, it's very sporadic because of the layout, but in the next episode, you're going to see the start of the river of metal. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments on the previous episodes or any of our future plans, leave us a comment. And in the meantime, I'm going to continue to transform Sperrin Metal.